the train.
We're going to make a Christmas train.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's Christmas in July?
In July 57.
Okay, it's July. I don't even know what day.
Let's try the diesel locomotive.
You want to try the diesel? Okay, let's do that.
There are just two diesel locomotives.
Alright. Alright, let's go. So you want to... Okay, that's pretty quick. So which one? What are you going to... What is that one?
Is that there are two diesel locomotives.
Okay. So what are you going to add to it?
Where is the freight car?
You're looking for a freight car?
Wait.
There are no freight cars?
Hey, I found something.
Oh, okay, I like that one. That's a flatbed?
That's not a flatbed. This is a freight car.
It's a freight... Okay.
The freight car and the flatbed for the car.
Okay.
And we had to get a Christmas caboose.
Yeah,
Oh, there it is.
You got a caboose going.
Christmas tenders.
Okay, that's so cool. So, is the train
Train completed.
Train complete. Nice going. Alright, let's see what happens next. What truck are you using? Okay.
Choo choo.
Choo. Chaga chaga choo choo. Chaga chaga choo choo. Chaga chaga choo choo.
Wow, it landed.
It is here. Oh my goodness, that's a cool train. Let's start going. This looks exciting. Oh, what's that lemon doing on the track?
Yeah.
And candies and ooh. Oh, what is this?
Wow, that is bad.
Okay, let's figure it out. Let's figure it out. Because we gotta. Okay, that's done.
That is done. I just don't press the red button to just complete it that.
Okay. Ooh, okay.
Okay, that's impossible.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow, that's a tough one.
Oh no, it's fallen. Oh no.
Dear.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Dear God.
Where's it going? Oh, where's it going? We gotta go. We have to do that slowly. Ah, there you go. Drop that in. Oh no. Oh no, that's not right. Who's that? Oh.
Whoops.
This is causing a bit of... Ah, there we go. There it is. Alright, so it's time to go. Where's our train?
There it is.
Ah.
There are two diesel locomotives there.
Okay, why did you need two?
Wow.
I was going through a little... Whoa, that's a donut. There's a lot of candy on this track.
Wow, just the slow motion there.
Are we taking an elevator?
A slow motion with parting the donut.
Are we going to floor 2? So this is like an elevator?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright, here we go. Welcome to floor 2. Let's go. Wow, this is crazy.
Wow, this is
a jump. Oh, let's see if we can. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, why did it? Uh-oh, shouldn't it have gone on that thing?
Yeah.
So why is it going all around the donut? All around the donut, the donut, the donut, all around the donut.
Yeah.
Woo, woo, woo. See if we can get in there. Yay, we're on. Oh, another one. Guess we can get in there. Ooh. Nope, nope, it's going around the donut again. Oh, it seemed like it might have to go around the donut. Whoa, look at that. Oh, are we going to lose the caboose? No, what are those? Tinders, okay. Tinders are flying. Oh, no. Oh, okay, that's good.
Serious.
I'm telling you, this is interesting.
The two diesel locomotives are on the track.
Yeah, look at that. So, ooh. Oh, what's gonna go on here? Oh, we can't cross like that. What do we need to do?
Siri.
Oh my goodness. Oh, so you have to. Oh, wait. Ah. We have to lower the track. Lower the track. Ooh, it's time to go.
Yay!
Ooh.
Yay! That looks so.
It's cool.
That is so crazy.
Oh, ooh, lots of candies. Oh, we gotta pick up some candies on the way. It's going up a nice hill. Whoa!
Donuts are falling.
I feel like the tinders are. We're gonna lose the tinders.
No.
No. Okay, so that's cool. Oh, wait.
It lands.
That guy. Oh, okay, there we go. Everything is cool again. Oh, there's a candy in the way. All right. Oh, nice chocolate. Oh, we gotta fix this. How are we gonna?
Scary.
How are we gonna fix it? How are we gonna fix this?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, we have to get that out first. Okay, there we go.
Oh,
Oh,
dear.
wait. We have to get this one out too. Okay, we gotta fix that one in that little section. Oh, it's gonna fall. Oh, no. Oh, you're losing it. Okay, we got two good. Oh no, we gotta fix that one out first. Okay, make this one nice and easy. Oh, no. It's gonna fall again. Okay. Just be cool and jump right. You did it. Okay, cool. All right, the train is on the move again.
Train is coming.
Where is it? Why is it not going? Oh, we have to press start. You said the train is coming, babe. Wait, let's see.
Train is coming, baby. The train is coming down. Train is coming.
babe. Ooh, what's going on
So
here?
the train is coming down.
Woo-hoo.
That's the train horn.
That's the train. Oh, it's not going. Okay. Wait a minute. What happened? We did it. So it's at the station. What happened?
It just goes to the Kingston.
It's okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, train CC 201 has arrived in
The station.
of Kingston. Please remember to
Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.
bye.
Yay.